And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
Unfortunately, you could taste the weather today with that blowing dust. That's a live look from our Cheyenne Mountain camera. Can't even see any part of the city from Cheyenne Mountain right now. That's that strong gusty wind blowing in dust particles live downtown on Tejon. Sky is dark because of all the dust in the air. It's 65 degrees. South winds sustained at 28 miles per hour. There's been blowing dust in Pueblo throughout the day. Wind is still strong out of the south, sustained at 17 miles per hour. Going to show you another look from our network of live sky cameras. It's been really dusty in Canyon, not as bad as earlier. During our 5 o'clock show, you couldn't even see the foothills. Right now, at least those foothills are visible. It's windy and warm, and due to all that dust in the air, an air quality alert until 8 o'clock for El Paso, Pueblo, Teller, Fremont, and Custer counties. If you've got respiratory problems, good idea to stay indoors with those windows buttoned up tight. New red flag warning drops tomorrow for parts of the News 5 viewing area. This is from 8 a.m. through 8 p.m. from the Springs, Pueblo South, all the way out into southeastern Colorado. Again, we all need to do our part. Just be very careful. Avoid anything that could possibly spark a fire. In addition to that, a high wind warning across some of the southern mountains and southern foothills. That's a winter storm warning for the northern mountains. It's going to be really tough traveling over the divide tonight into tomorrow. Anywhere from 7 to 12 inches of wind-driven snow possible on those high mountain passes. Here's what's going to happen around here. A pattern change. Strong cold front on the way. Now tomorrow, ahead of that cold front, we'll have a strong southwest wind. You'll know when the front gets to your neighborhood, that wind will switch to the north, ushering in much colder air. And look at that. For the first time in a long time, we have finally got some appreciable snow in the forecast. Tomorrow morning, dry skies, lots of sunshine throughout the morning. Those clouds will start to thicken and lower during the afternoon, and by about 6 o'clock, I think we'll see some snow break out here across parts of El Paso County, eventually making it down into Pueblo County, southern mountains, southern foothills as well. Unfortunately, it is a very fast-moving system. Not a lot of meat on the bone this time, but considering how dry it's been, we'll take any moisture. Could see maybe, if we're lucky, a half an inch on the grassy surfaces in the Springs by real late tomorrow night, Wednesday morning, possibly up to 2 inches across some of the higher elevations of the Pikes Peak region, northern El Paso County up into Teller County. Wind is going to be strong throughout the day tomorrow. Tomorrow morning at sunrise, we're gusting up to 47 miles per hour. Strong winds throughout mid-afternoon. Watch what happens with these wind arrows. Once that cold front gets here, that wind will switch to the north, and I think it'll hit the Springs between 3:30 and 4:30, Pueblo between 4 and 5 o'clock. Again, that wind will start to die off once that cold front pushes in. Not totally go away, but at least decrease in intensity. Temperatures today unseasonably warm again. Pueblo 78, in the Springs high of 69 degrees. That's 10 degrees warmer than where we should be this time of the year. Lows tonight warm due to that downslope flow, staying above freezing across most parts of the News 5 viewing area. Noticeably colder tomorrow. You're looking at highs on average about 20 degrees colder than what we had around here today. Afternoon highs in the 40s and 50s, replacing those 60s and 70s that we had today. I want to break out that wind for you hour by hour in the Super 7-day forecast. Strongest wind tomorrow morning, gradually decreasing after that cold front moves through. Even colder on Wednesday. Another quick shot of snow possible late on Wednesday. Doesn't look like much, but again, let's take the moisture while we can get it because we dry out and warm up. Starts on Good Friday, lasts through the Easter weekend. 70 degrees both Saturday and Sunday with mostly sunny skies, just a little breezy from time to time. Pueblo, a very small window for moisture tomorrow. Prime time is between 9 p.m. and midnight. That's your only shot of any precipitation for the next 7 days. Let me spin it positive though. You'll get a little moisture, and then look at that weekend. Easter holiday could not possibly be any better. That is weather perfection. Canyon City, a brief opportunity for a few passing showers tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. Much colder the next couple of days, then you'll be trending warmer. Good Friday, really good. Even warmer Saturday and Sunday. Woodland Park, an inch or two of snow possible by midnight tomorrow night. Another helping late on Wednesday. It'll be a nice, wet, heavy snow loaded with water. Exactly what we need to mitigate that high fire danger. You're going to spring back late in the week just in time for that weekend, and we are back after a quick break.